Hygiene with James.
Today, we explore Sagittarius, sign of the, half horse, half guy with a bow and arrow. The good thing about Sagittarians, they have great aim. The bad thing about them, they poop while they're walking. So never march behind them in a parade. My prediction for Sagittarius in the coming year, you won't eat enough green vegetables. I'm Squidward, your Nicktoon astrologer, reminding you that if you smelt it, chances are you dealt it.
It's the Muppet Show!
It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on Halloween night.
It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to get me started.
Hey, there's chickens in our seats.
It's time to get things started on the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, motivational. This is what we call the Muppet
So then I said, if you want the mustard, you're gonna have to ketchup. That was quite possibly the worst joke I've ever heard. You're the worst joke I've ever heard.
Ugh, it's way too bright in here. Does somebody want to turn the lights down or something?
Whoa! A dirty pear with sunglasses.
What?
Hey pear, check it out. It's your brother. That's not my brother.
I'm not a pear. My name is Mystery Potato Man.
Potato.
We're not doing that.
Potato.
No.
Yeah, whatever, Four Eyes.
Hey, you'd be wearing sunglasses too if you grew up on the ground. Ugh, this light is killing me.
You grew up in the dirt? I'm gonna call you Muddy Buddy.
I'm not muddy, and I'm not your bud.
You said Spud. You're a Spud muffin.
Man, you're real square, you know that?
I'm round.
Ugh, Pear, is this guy always this annoying?
No, it's even worse when he uses the air horn. Hey, Muddy Buddy.
What? Why would you do that, man?
Pear did it.
Pear didn't do it. I saw you.
Blame Pear.
No.
Uh-oh, guess what?
What? What is it?
Air horn.
I can't see anything. And I can't even hear myself think.
It's funny because it hurts.
You're really getting under my skin, buddy. I've met some stupid food in my days, but you really take the cake.
Why would you take the cake? That's where Carrot lives.
I don't care about Carrot.
Well, I don't care about you either. Geez, for a tater, you're a real hater. Maybe you're a hater tot.
Sweet mother of... your voice is stabbing me like a giant...
Let me guess. Knife?
What?
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from Sally, age 14. Dear Pig, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes, Sally. Yes, I am. Keep those cards and letters coming.
That guy needed a thicker skin anyways. Come on, buddy. Potato didn't mean it. Stop crying. Hey, Carrot, I know it'll make you forget about being sad. Really? What? Air horn.